Alright, good evening. I am in Seoul, South Korea, and we're going to check out the Myeondong night market. I probably butchered that name, but that's okay. So, I'm going to go take a walk. It does get a little crowded at night. This is one of the more popular night markets in Seoul. This is considered a shopping district. You'd have to be crazy to try driving through one of these things. Not gonna go down this way, but this is what this way looks like.
예전에 구매이저님이
A lot of these stores are beauty stores. You know, the Koreans are into their fashion. So they're always selling these face masks and other cosmetics. The next side street I see, we'll check out what's down one of these side streets. Socks. Socks is big business here. Fried bananas. I might have to try this out a little bit later. Alright, this street goes on and on and on. Most of the vendors selling the same stuff. So we're gonna check out a side street.
글자 뭐 받은 거 없냐고.
Levi's store. All right. This is what I'm talking about with all the masks. Women really love that stuff here. Or maybe some men too, I don't know. If you're a man and you use face masks like that, let me know in the comments section. Pretty skin. I almost said Hong Kong. Some Seoul street food. More street food. Potato hot dog. Sausage cheese hot dog. Potato sausage cheese hot dog. Anything you can put on a stick, they put on a stick.
잘못 얘기했네. 내가 잘못 얘기했어. 내가. 잘못 얘기했어. 잘못 얘기했어.
More socks made in Korea. I happened to buy some socks while I was here. Hard to find decent socks in Vietnam. Hard to buy a lot of things in Vietnam, actually. And another street. We'll do one more here and then we'll end this video. You always look for the food stands where there's a lot of people, and this one does have a lot of people, so we'll see what they're cooking up. I see some dumplings in the back, some barbecued meat. I'll have to try some a little later. If any of you guys have the Line chat app, they have a thing here called Line Friends. So they sell anything in here that's related to the Line chat app. And this bear, his name is Brown. Here's the cartoon. Kind of a cool store. A little pricey though. You can get some fresh fruit juice, smoothies on the street. Other stores. You wouldn't think so, but they are really into Major League Baseball here. They have a Major League Baseball store. They also have a few NBA stores I've seen since I've been here. So either the Koreans or the tourists that come here are really into those things. Oh, that's cool. This, I don't know, kind of a pharmacy deal. Tells you the language of the people on staff. So English, Korean, and Chinese, I'm guessing. I'm sorry, people from Vietnam, you're out of luck. There's nobody who speaks Vietnamese. Massages are a big deal here. People are always handing out flyers for so-called discounted massages. So here is a Korean food mart called Good Mart. Let's see what Koreans like to eat. Hot and spicy almonds, honey butter almonds, banana milk almonds, wasabi almonds, honey butter cashew nuts. All right, you guys. The whole purpose of this is just to show you what a market in South Korea looks like. We're actually almost back to where we started over there. Oh, here's a massage thing with prices. So 18,000 of their money is about 15 or 16 bucks. I'm not sure what kind of massage that is though. Anyways, I will end things here.